As you guys know, I always bring you to only one store. I say, buy all your things here. The Jesus Boat store. Are you still called that, Jackie?
It's called now a different name, Caprice.
There it is. But this is Jackie, the owner.
Right.
This place is amazing. You guys will not believe the remodel of the Jesus Boat store. I'm going to call it that because that's how people identify. You guys, I know most of you buy all your stuff here and they ship. Are you still shipping?
Yeah, of course.
That's the key to this place. That way you don't have to carry it. And that way when you are traveling, your husband forgets that you bought stuff here. So I want to have him show you the new renovations. Tell a little bit about yourself. How did you come to become in charge of all this?
My name is Jackie. I worked here in 2019. Since the pandemic, we've been closed for 2 years. Now we're reopened, and we will be delighted to see all of you come back to our shop.
But let's go look at some things and see what he did. He opened up the back window. But let's go look at some goods. So you've got all your olive wood, nativity. And I have this. I bought this because this is a good example when you're teaching about the Jesus boat. But I do notice you have a new one now. I love that.
Yeah, that's new.
And you have all your olive oil, anointing oils for those of you that buy that. But the one thing I do love that you have, Jackie, is you have such a beautiful selection of shofars. So if you guys don't want to spend a lot of money, you can take this home, or you actually have the ones that have the beautiful silver, and they all have different scenes. You know, they're just beautiful. Look at this. They're all gorgeous. All different kinds of menorahs, if you want to buy a reasonable one or a really articulate one. They're just beautiful. Something else I love that you have here is the Ark of the Covenant. Everybody loves to come home. Go ahead.
Everything you see in our shop, we were always known as a high-end shop. So everything you see with certificates, even the prayer shawls, they're all kosher.
And something interesting about your prayer shawls is you also have Messianic
Yeah,
prayer shawls.
Messianic prayer shawls that you can see.
For those of you who are Christian and you want to do something that's a little more Messianic, more Jesus, they have those here.
We have wool, we have acrylic ones, and they're all with certificate of authenticity.
But the reason why I tell people to get these here and not to wait to go to Jerusalem, because I think you are one of the only places that has the Messianic, that has the symbol of Yeshua. And that's why I like getting them here. You know, and they're women and men. You have pink ones, you have everything. They're just beautiful. But something else that I love that you guys have, beautiful jewelry. I mean, this is where to get the jewelry. They have a lot stone, but they also have high-end jewelry. Not just, you can tell a little bit about that because it is just beautiful.
We have the lot stone, we have ancient coins, Roman glass, of course, silver, gold.
I think you have the largest selection of Elok stone.
Yeah, one of the biggest.
Yeah, I've never beautiful pieces. I like seeing these big chunky ones. I usually see little ones, but this is stunning.
And it's such a nice experience.
It's such
to shop here and look at this view.
And I don't know if you guys remember, this all used to be closed with wine and stuff. Now you open up, it's like so refreshing to see this. And I love all the Christian crosses and everything.
The ancient
stones.
coins.
Yes.
Also here we have the third biggest winery in the country, one of the best, the Golan Heights winery.
Yes. And the
olive
oils, that's right. Beautiful. And the olive oil skin products.
Exactly.
This is the best stuff.
Non-chemicals.
I'm actually 90 years old and I use this. This is why I look like this. It's amazing. And another thing you have that's really nice, you have books, t-shirts. I mean, if people's budgets aren't that much, you can just, there's like things that are in everybody's budgets. The t-shirts some of them are hysterical. If you have grandkids, this is the place to buy your grandkids stuff. But honestly, this is my favorite store. I'm always shipping so much from here. You know, but Jackie, I'm hoping everybody will come back
I'll be delighted to see everyone over here.
And you'll greet them. He's such a nice guy too, you know. And I'm hoping you guys will buy all your stuff here. Yeah. So, but thank you, Jackie.
Thank you so much.
We'll see you next
Thank
March.
you so much.